Hi, this is Eric and Jeremy from Zero Doubt Club, and we have a pretty proud, happy announcement that we are now in the meal prep business and delivery in Northeast Ohio. Jeremy, why are we in the meal prep business?
Well, I mean, it's pretty simple. Working out is really 10% of the equation. Active off days is another 10%. But eating and nutrition makes up a whopping 80% of healthy results. Also, too many private trainers talk about how they can't control their clients and what they do outside of the 2 or 3 45-minute workouts per week. We call bullshit.
Bullshit. So Jeremy and I researched the many meal plan companies that are out there and found out this. Either they send you just the ingredients and you've got to put it together. The food is not fresh or frozen and you've got to thaw it out. Or it's not organic, or has MGO, or has processed food in it. The list goes on. And some are very expensive, charging $15 to $20 per meal.
So we sat down with multiple chefs and put together the following chef-designed pre-portioned meal plan.
High quality, chef-inspired, nutritionist approved, healthy, fresh, organic, whole foods, unbelievably tasty, yummy.
So we cater to every type of diet out there: vegan, keto, paleo, clean eating, whole 360, dairy-free, gluten-free, and the list goes on. Nothing extra added into any of it. We deliver in Northeast Ohio.
So the meal plan is only $11 per meal and is offered in either 2 meals per day or 3 meals per day. You can also order just the work week, which is Monday through Thursday, 4 days of, again, either 2 or 3 meals, or the weekend, Friday through Sunday, and 2 or 3 meals per day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or the entire week. So 7 days of 2 meals, that's 14 meals, or 21 meals for the full 7 days.
So if you're currently not happy with your bad eating habits, if you're eating processed foods, by the way, if it comes in a box or a bag, odds are that it's not healthy or it has many processed ingredients.
Or you're not happy with the non-tasty chicken and rice meal plans, your portions that you make for yourself are too little and you're hungry, or it's too much and you've eaten too big of a meal, or you have little time for shopping, waiting in line at the supermarket, cooking, and then cleaning after yourself.
Throwing out and wasting food. Your meals are too plain. You're eating too much.
So we want to improve your lifestyles with specific goals in mind.
How do we deliver more of the things you like and none of the things you don't?
We have an intake form. It's very thorough. We know your goals, and it's constant communications of what you like and none of what you don't like.
You tell us how adventurous you are with your food, and we will exceed your expectations, guaranteed.
So we want to be the biggest help that you have ever asked for.
Here are some examples.
So shrimp fajitas, you can see the shrimp are on the larger side with lentils and vegetables. And then the vegan version, which has the alpha sprouts, also lentils and peppers, again in the fajita. So here we have baked chicken with fajita seasoning and roasted peppers. Very good. Here we have wild caught salmon slaw. This is the keto version. We also have the same meal with quinoa. Here we have some ground lamb kafta with eggplant, roasted peppers, and homemade tzatziki sauce. Really delicious. Here we have cauliflower ravioli. So no pasta, with butternut squash inside, with some sausage and cauliflower, roasted cauliflower. So here we have chicken with shawarma seasoning with turmeric cauliflower with some mushrooms and tomatoes on top. So we are refining the menu literally weekly. Chefs coming up with some amazing meals, as you can see, and our process keeps getting better. Feedback from clients is amazing so far, and we're looking to build the business with you and help you with your dietary wishes and your health goals.
Yeah, so if you want more information, just reach out to one of us or check out our website, zerodoubtclub.com. Thanks, guys.